Local news for Wednesday, the 17th of December. More than $100,000 has been secured to progress a community-initiated project to develop a region-wide recreation trail linking the five main Wairarapa towns. $120,000 in funding includes 30 from the Masterton District Council, 18 from South Wairarapa and 12 from Carterton, and $60,000 from the Trust House Foundation. Wairarapa police are looking to identify a person who shot a cat in Masterton on Sunday night. The owners of Miss Lucy, a Ginger Cornice Rex, called police after she returned home at about 10 past 10 with a gunshot wound to her abdomen. Police are asking for anyone with information to contact them or anonymously via Crime Stoppers on 0800 555 111. An initiative from Water Safety New Zealand and Swimming Wellington to supply togs to those who need them will benefit Wairarapa. WSNZ CEO Jonty Mills says not only a pair of togs could be a barrier to gaining an aquatic education for many Kiwis. The initiative launches with the support of local councils, setting up a tog box and pools which act as donation stations for all types of swimwear, including caps and goggles. And finally in sport, the Southey Sale Wairarapa women's cricket team have thrashed Taranaki last weekend by 10 wickets. Taranaki batted first and were all out for just 64. Wairarapa cruising to victory with just one wicket lost in 14.4 overs. Well done. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.